how to change the pitch of your audio using KineMaster on your iPhone. Whether it's for a funny voice effect or just some creative flair for your video, this video is for you. First, open KineMaster and either create a new project or open an existing one. Just tap on media and tap on your audio or video. Now once you choose your video or audio, tap on it. Now you will see mixture. Tap on it. Here you can see pitch. If you want high pitch, just increase it like this. Now once you increase it, preview the video.
He doesn't even know I exist.
If you don't like it, you can just decrease it again like this. You can manually adjust the pitch and speed from here like this. Now once you are happy with it, just go back like this. And that's it. The changes has already been applied to it. You have successfully changed the pitch of your audio in KineMaster. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video editing tips. Thank you for watching.